Welcome to the world of photography. I am Aris Gandhi and I am a professional photographer. I was always into photography since college days, but that was a hobby. Now is a profession. So let me take you to my world of photography, where I will share with you some tips, tricks to make your pictures picture perfect. And to make this picture perfect story is with me, my photography expert, the Oppo Reno 3. Look at this phone. So as I mentioned, in this video I will help you frame your pictures and videos little better, make them look astonishing, and also while using these fantastic lenses and these different camera modes in this phone, let's dive into this world of photography. So that is Neha, our model for the day.
Hi.
Hi, so are we ready?
Absolutely.
So let's activate the camera in this beautiful phone and let me show you how to switch on the grid. So over here, you can see this is the grid over here. Switch it on. And now, basically 9 squares. And this is called the rule of thirds. Tell you in detail now what the rule of third means. So when you shoot a subject and use the rule of thirds, basically you have to place your subject either on either sides of the frame, basically on 1/3 of the frame, on the left or on the right or on the top or on the bottom. And what that does is it makes the picture more interesting. It kind of tells a story to the picture. It gives a little more creativity to the picture and makes it look a little more creative, as if you put a little more thought to it. So the Oppo Reno 3 packs in a quad camera setup and it has a 64 megapixel sensor with an f1.8 aperture. And now let's see the pictures that we clicked from this beautiful phone camera. And I'll select my favorite out of these. And when I was shooting Neha, the AI feature turned on automatically and detected her face, and so as to tell you that we are shooting a person, and automatically enhancing the tone, the skin tone with the AI feature. So now let's edit a few of these pictures that I clicked of Neha. Edit over here. And there is this beauty feature. You tap on that and there are many features that you can use over here. For example, there is this whitening, so it makes the picture brighter. Now this is the slim face feature. Let's see what does this do. What it does is, over here in the slim face mode, it kind of slowly, just a little touch makes it a little slimmer. So देखो ये है broad and slightly, so only the jawline becomes a little more defined and it makes it look a little more gorgeous. Remove dark circle feature. Let's see, with, without. You can see slight change. The under eye के अंदर, under eye के beneath थोड़ा सा change है. Of course, there are these filters which are there, which is some very nice tones you can give. This is a very nice retro feel you can give. Look at the clarity of this image. What clarity, what megapixel. I tap on one tap beauty. So what this does is, it just smoothens the skin, it enhances the features, the colors, the sharpness, everything. So 1 and 2 tak rahoge, that looks very nice. When you use these 3 cameras in this quad setup, the effective megapixel is 108 megapixels, which is like mind-blowing, because when you zoom into a picture you can see every little detail that's possible. So I'm sitting near my window over here with this beautiful scenic view, and now I'm going to take a shot with the ultra wide angle camera of this phone, which is this camera right here, and a 119-degree field of view, which is really quite wide, and which also helps in taking great macro shots because it has great autofocus. Now let's take a picture. Take a beautiful picture. Let me show you what I clicked. Wow, look at this image. Now you can capture clarity in detail with the ultra clear 108 megapixel image. This lens, fantastic. This wide angle has some great macro capabilities, so I have kept this ring over here on a phone, and I'm going to click its reflection with the wide angle lens. As you can see, the macro mode gets activated as soon as you go close. So along with the wide angle lens, this has a 5x hybrid zoom and a 20x digital zoom. Then let me show you. 2x zoom and I click a picture. Then we do a 5x zoom and we click a picture. So now see the difference. So this was the 5x zoom the 2x zoom, and the normal wide angle. Okay, so time to take some selfies with Neha. Oppo Reno 3 has the world's first 44 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual punch hole camera over here in front, and which takes some brilliant selfies. Let's try them out. Even before you take a picture, there are these different options that you get: smoothen, thinning face, bigger eyes, small nose, chin. All these you can use even before you click a picture, which is amazing. The Oppo Reno 3 has many features and many modes in its cameras. For example, it has the night mode, the time-lapse mode, the slow motion mode, then it has the HDR mode, and for quick contrast it has another mode which is called the dazzle color on and off mode. You will see an expert professional mode. So if you go into this, you can change the shutter speed if you want to, if you know how to use the shutter speed, and you can also change the ISO of the picture to make it brighter or darker. So these are professional features which are incorporated in this smartphone, and which is very good to have if you know how to use these professional features. And then there is this night mode. I'll just show you how that works. So in this frame right now you can see hardly anything, just little light in the background, and on me there's hardly very little light. But the selfie mode, my face is brightened up like never before in such a darkly lit situation. So I'm clicking a selfie in the ultra night mode in the selfie mode, and see how bright the picture is. So these are the pictures taken from the ultra night selfie mode. Wow, just look at the brightness of these pictures. There was hardly any light on my face. So as you can see, it's night time right now, and I want to test this night mode, the ultra dark mode in this Oppo Reno 3 camera. Let's click some pictures and some videos. So let's test out the ultra dark mode, night mode over here. This time I clicked it with the 2x zoom. And now some video in the low light. Zooming in over here. It's really brightened up the image. You can see, I'll just show you. Wow. Seems like another city altogether. Look at that. Look at the brightness. This is the ultra dark mode. And then I took this video. Look at how it enhances the lights and just makes it overall really bright. So this phone also has an app called the Soloop Editor. This editor, as in this application, is such a great versatile app in which you can import your pictures, your videos, and mix and match them and make a brilliant video or a movie out of that. You can put background music to it, you can write text on it, you can change the font, you can change the whole styling of the thing, you can trim the video or trim the pictures. All in all, you can make a great little collage for your Instagram stories, for your Instagram post, for your social media. Basically, have a great video to put it up. So if you use an interesting face with a nice backdrop, and then use all the framing and the composition hacks, tricks that I have told you, and use the great modes and features of this Oppo Reno 3, I'm sure you're going to get some great results. Keep clicking and make your dreams come true. So if you like this review and this video, then do not forget to give me a like, and please subscribe to my channel for many more such tech updates and reviews. I'm your Tech Man Aries. Take care.